Hi guys, I just wanted to help you to see how to access the digital journal that your students may be using on ConnectEd. It's a new feature. So what I'm going to do is I just logged in as a teacher. I'm going to click on this guy here to make sure that my correct class is highlighted. If you only have one class, then only one class will be there. I'm going to come to this menu button on the top left, click it, and a little side panel will come out. Scroll down about 2/3 of the way down till you see eBooks. Now, because this is the newest feature, it's going to be the last book. So I suggest you click the very last tab, and here it is, eJournal Volume 1 for Grade 2. I click on the book, and it's going to bring up just a generic ebook. I can find the page that I want to see by hitting the table of contents, find the unit. I suggest using the drop arrow, find what you're interested in seeing. You can page this way if you're off. Down here says two pages view or one page view. I can zoom it, get comfortable. Then I choose my student. So I hit this gear with a little person behind it. Make sure you know which class you want to see. More than likely, you'll only have one class. I click on the student I want to see. And these are the answers that Ainsley inputted for me. Now, if you didn't watch the video that I did for the students, which shows them how to input it, I suggest they don't use the pen tool and instead click the box and enter their answer here. Don't worry about if my answer is right or wrong. And that way it'll show up. I think that's easier to use than the pen tool because the pen tool gets a little bit tricky when it comes to erasing it. I heard that they're going to have to improve it a bit. So I much prefer to have the kids click in the box and type it. I think it's easier. Now, I can leave a note for Ainsley by hitting the Post-it note, and then she'll see whatever it is that I posted for her right here on the side. If I'm finished with Ainsley, I can hit done. I can click on the next student, and it will automatically filter to that page. You can see this is David, and because I haven't had David do the work, that's why there's nothing here. So I hope this helps making using the digital journal a little bit easier. I think it's great because you can see the full PDF, unlike some of the other features where the kids can only see one problem at a time. All right, hope this was useful.